In this video, I'll guide you through how to access free stock photos on Hostinger so you can quickly add professional looking images to your website without paying for separate photo licenses or downloading files from other platforms. Let's start from the page editor where you're designing your website. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the Elements sidebar. This is where you can add things like text, buttons, and images to your page. To add a new photo, click the Add Element button, usually shown with a plus icon. From the list of available elements, find the image element. Click and drag that image element onto your page, placing it exactly where you want the image to appear. Don't worry too much about precise positioning right now. You can always adjust it later. Once you drop the image element onto your page, an image settings pop-up will appear. This is where you decide what image to show. Inside this pop-up, look for the option that opens your media library and click on it. The media library is essentially your central hub for managing images. It holds files you've uploaded yourself, as well as free stock images that Hostinger provides. At the top of the media library window, you'll see different tabs or sections. One of those will be labeled Free Images. Go ahead and click that tab. This is where Hostinger groups a collection of royalty-free stock photos you can use on your site. Using this option saves you time and helps you avoid any copyright issues since the images are already cleared for use. Now, inside the Free Images tab, you'll notice a search bar. This is where you can narrow down the huge collection and find something that matches your content. Click into the search bar and type in a keyword that fits the topic or mood you're going for. For example, if you're building a website for a startup or a freelancer, you might search for modern office. If your site is more relaxing or travel-oriented, try nature. For a cafe, blog, or lifestyle brand, coffee is a great starting point. You can experiment with different keywords until you see a style that fits your brand. As you type and press enter, you'll see a grid of images that match your search. Take a moment to scroll through and look for photos that have good lighting, clear focus, and a style that matches the rest of your website. When you find a photo you like, click on it once to select it. This will highlight the image and usually show a preview so you can double check that it looks right. With your chosen image selected, look for the button that says Add to Page and click it. Hostinger will automatically insert that free stock photo into the image element you added earlier. You'll see it appear on your page in the editor where you can resize it, reposition it, or adjust additional settings like alignment and padding to make it look just right. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully accessed and added a free stock photo on Hostinger using only the built-in tools. You can repeat this process for as many images as you need, helping you build a visually appealing website quickly and efficiently without leaving the editor or worrying about extra image costs.